Here's a new 2020 Cadillac CT5. The CT5 doesn't just stack up to the competition, it stands out from it. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, self-sealing all-season front and rear tires, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, touring suspension, configurable instrument gauges, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.